What's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make an emergency patch for your CV boot. I seen how they use bike patches and stuff, but I think this one probably work better. You just need a bike inner tube. You cut a little tiny hole, not too close to the edge because then it'll rip, and then you fit the zip tie through there. You gotta get an extra large one, and just make sure you got a little space so that it could lap, you could like lap it around each other. But I want to get my tires changed, and I found out that I had a leak in my CV boot, which you can see right there. The grease is all splattered everywhere. What I'm gonna try to do is, let's see if I can get down here, get the inner tube on the outer edge, because it's mine's tore right here. So I'm gonna try to get one zip tie right here and one over here, try to seal it off. But before you do that, try to replace some grease in there, because with all that grease that came out, it's not gonna be lubricated right, and your axle's just gonna get messed up. Oh man. Alright, well, I'm gonna get this done and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright YouTube, I'm back. I had a problem with my suspension after I did this, so it's nighttime now, but I was done with this a long time ago. But you can see I got the zip tie on the back, the front, and then I even put one in the middle, but I didn't tighten it that much, that way it don't open up in the middle. But I think that should hold for a little bit, just to let me drive around, because I haven't been able to drive my car around. It's just been sitting there, so now I should be fine. But yeah, just in case you want to get a temporary fix for your CV boot, there you go. Alright you guys, well, if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and you guys have a good night.